Yeah, the Vegeta Blaze. Man. Okay, anyways. Time to make this Sonic Hypersonic Spin Dash. And basically, it's easy. Just delete all body. And the scale is right here. Hold up a minute. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Okay, tail. To 832. And it's on 924. $36.44 for the boost. And we have $32.44 for the boost as well. So that's it. Oh yeah, and I forgot this. 32.38 for this the boosting, and that's it. Also here, white, 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 and here's the outline. Pink, 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 white. Oh, pink, 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 pink. Uh-oh. Pink, 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 pink. White, white. Outline, pink. Pink, white. There.